What's up, everybody? Today I got an unboxing video. Today it's of the Emirates Airbus A380. And let's get to unboxing. And here's the back of the box. Let's unbox it now. And if you ever flew in Emirates or got this plane, comment down below or like. There we go. Here's a plane on the box. Now let's do. Now we can just provide this right out. Here's a fully plane out of the box. And bye.
That's it?
Yep.
I think you need to work on your